Good afternoon to all of you. I am Ashish Nima and I am going to deliver you lecture on the topic pre-emphasis. Pre-emphasis is basically a technique which is mainly used to increase the value of deviation in FM modulation. Here we can increase the amplitude of high frequency signal by which we can reduce FM noise in higher modulating frequency. Pre-emphasis, with the help of pre-emphasis circuit, we can reduce noise, FM noise of modulating signal. For this purpose, we can use this circuit before FM modulator. Now we discuss pre-emphasis technique in detail. For this purpose, we use pre-emphasis circuit. Here in this diagram, we can see a pre-emphasis circuit, which is basically a RC coupled circuit, which is used before FM modulator, in which we applied modulating signal. Or with the help of pre-emphasis circuit, we can reduce FM noise of modulating signal by increasing amplitude of high frequency signal. Now we can apply this signal in FM modulator and we get pre-emphasis FM output. Now we can discuss this circuit in detail. In FM, noise has greater effect on higher modulating frequency. This effect can be reduced by increasing the value of modulation index for high modulation frequency. So in this point we can see the FM noise has greater effect on higher modulating frequency. For this purpose we increase the modulation index for high modulating frequency. Now this can be done by increasing the deviation, and deviation can be increased by increasing the amplitude of modulating signal at high modulating frequency. So for the purpose of increasing modulation index, we can increase the amplitude of modulating signal at higher modulating frequency. Thus if we boost amplitude of high frequency modulating signal artificially, then it will be possible to improve the noise immunity. This artificial boosting of higher modulating signal is called pre-emphasis. So when we increase the amplitude of modulating signal artificially, then it mainly used to improve the noise immunity of modulating signal. This artificial boosting of higher modulating signal is called pre-emphasis of the circuit. Modulating audio frequency signal is passed through high frequency RS filter with high gain before applying into FM modulator. So here we can see the FM modulator in which we apply pre-emphasis high frequency modulating signal with the help of pre-emphasis circuit, which is mainly used to increase noise immunity of modulating signal, and after the process we get pre-emphasis FM output. So now we can discuss about de-emphasis circuit. Artificial boosting given to higher modulating frequency in the process of pre-emphasis. Artificial boosting given to higher modulating frequency in the process of pre-emphasis is nullified or compressed at the receiver by the process called de-emphasis. In this FM modulator output, pre-emphasis output, if we get our original baseband signal, then we applied process de-emphasis, in which we get our original modulating signal with the help of de-emphasis circuit. Now we can see the circuit for de-emphasis. Here we can see the process of de-emphasis, which is mainly used. This circuit is mainly used after FM modulator. By this circuit we can get our original modulating signal. Here in this process of de-emphasis we can apply FM input as input in FM modulator, and our output is applied on D phases circuit, which is mainly basically RC circuit, for which we get our original modulating circuit. Then the process is called dim phases. Here we can get our original modulating signal, and it is always used after FM modulator. So this is our dim phases circuit. If you have any query, then you can message me. I am waiting for your valuable suggestion. Thank you.